Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit about a Kenmore Model 1227. This is a 158.1227. It's a basic straight and zigzag Kenmore. It's all metal. Variable stitch width and variable stitch length, reverse and feed dog drop. Uses standard low shank screw-on feet and attachments. It's a center position needle machine. Uses class 15 bobbins and 15x1 needles, both purchased anywhere as easy as Walmart. They do stock them. Cosmetically, it's in excellent condition. The painted surface is still very shiny, as you can see. There's a little ding right there by the thread. And it's really the only major paint ding that I can see. It is tabletop ready, or you can put it in a Kenmore carrying case. It's ready to go. It's serviced, has a 1-amp motor. Very nice basic machine. Nothing fancy needed to use or maintain. Nothing fancy, at all. It's just a basic machine. We're going to start out just cotton fabric, straight stitch. Makes very nice, consistent stitches. Actually, it's not in my thread guide. Let's change that real quick. There we go. That was easy. Let's do a zigzag. Very easy to operate. It has a dial and a knob. That's your only two controls. I do not have an instruction manual for this particular model, but I do have a manual for a similar model. The only difference is the similar model has the buttonholer. This one does not. I will provide a PDF copy of the manual for the 1219 model, which is the similar. It should have all the same oiling points, all the same basic usage and care instructions. Nice hard-working machine. Nice, perfectly balanced stitch. This is 5 layers of a heavy upholstery cotton. I mean, something you would put on your couch, chair. 5 layers of that with a nice balanced stitch. You will also get these fabric samples. This is 10 layers of cotton. Very nice. 5 layers of denim. Real denim. If you've ever sewn jeans, if you don't have the right machine, it's not going to sew through the seams. This machine shouldn't have a problem. 5 layers. And let's do a couple layers of leather. This is garment leather. This is not, saddle or something thick. This is garment leather. Not sure of the ounces. That's fine working on garment leather. Beautiful stitch. And if this is not the machine for you, check out our other eBay listings, as I'm sure you'll find the machine. And if you don't see it, please send me an email, because we've got machines available, different machines available every day. So if you don't see it, we might still have it. That is the Kenmore Model 1227 Zigzag Sewing Machine.